So in order to pergi balik preview version, kita kena pergi to version history. So to go to version history, you can tick on to the document. Kat atas ni, can you see there's a 3 dot there? There you see there's a version history. Alright, when you click on version history, dia akan tunjuk, oh, this document has been modified 4 times. First time was demo, then followed by demo, then after that Asman modify it, and then lastly I modify as well. So at any one time I nak restore balik Asman punya pun boleh juga. I can restore balik. To access to SharePoint, you need to change you punya app launcher ni, and then from here kita pergi ke SharePoint. So this is a SharePoint homepage. If you click on Global Nation, you can actually go to your company punya global SharePoint site macam retail, fitness, headquarters and IT. So if you click on any one of these, right, you can nampak that dia actually macam website. You see? It's like a website. Okay, it's like a website. So this is a SharePoint. So you can see that ada operation, ada marketing, ada sales and everything. So this is like a bulletin board where you can consume. You can also create your own SharePoint as well for your team ataupun for your department. I'm just going to show you how to do it. In SharePoint site, there are 2 different types. Satu dipanggilnya team site, satu lagi dipanggilnya communication site. There is a difference between the two. Okay, alright, so let's say here I'm just going to show you how to create. You just create a site. When you click create a site, dia akan keluar this. There are 2 different type of sites. One is called a team site, as I told you before. Another one is called a communication site. Okay, so apakah perbezaan antara these two? Team site ialah lebih kepada if you want to create a site di mana you can place you punya project, punya document, you want to collaborate dengan the team, you want to share resources. For communication side ialah lebih kepada it's about sharing information, macam bulletin board. Alright, in this communication side, siapa yang visit to the site cannot make changes to the document, cannot make changes to the page, cannot do anything. What they can do, they can consume only. Dia boleh download file, that's it. Dia tak boleh modify file, dia tak boleh modify web page, dia tak boleh modify apa-apa pun. Find a good name. Right? Jangan main tembak saja ini apa nama whatever whatnot lah. Ataupun paling sedap is the name of the project. Team site, usually we set it as private, never public, because we don't want to have data leakage that other people will be able to see all your project paper, all your budget, all your expenses and everything. So when you create a team, immediately you create a SharePoint. When you create a SharePoint, right, you can create Microsoft team based on the same SharePoint name. You can see that they tunjuk more than just files. Dia akan tunjuk information. Okay? Like in OneDrive, dia hanya simpan file sahaja. Ingat tak ni? You selalu akan nampak ni dalam Microsoft Teams. Remember masa Asman buat majlis berbuka puasa punya channel? This immediately dia akan create a folder dalam situ. This is our adoption workshop ni channel. And then this is the general channel dalam kita punya Teams. Now under the home tu, you akan nampak ada new. When you click on new, right, you can see that there are a few things we can do. Kalau you nak, you can put in your name, space library. You can put in a description, what is this for? This is to store my personal stuff, my documents. The best thing about this is that kalau saya dah letak dalam SharePoint ni, kalau I upload a file ke apa, I tak perlu nak share kepada all the members in the SharePoint group. Once I upload a file kat sini, all these 337 members, right, can access to this document library immediately. I want to add a title here atas ni lah. So what I can do is I can point to the top here. I can just click on this particular part and I can add in something else, right? Dia tak perlu jadi Microsoft. It coming from Trello, Salesforce, alright, ada Jira, alright, GitHub, Bitbucket, alright, incoming webhook. Some of it we also not sure pakai ke tidak. It depends on your organisation sama ada pakai tidak.